Hi, I am Faisal, and in this video I will solve example problem of aspect of and this aspect is used in QGIS. So let's get started. I will use a shape correcting tool to draw my cell. Aspect is calculated using 3x3 window, just like slope. So let's draw a 3x3 window. So I'll draw it here. The values are following: 101, 92, 85, 101, 92, 85, 101, 91, 84. These are the elevation values. So first I will find the slope. So what is required is aspect, and given is this DEM file. Now to find what are the steps, let's go for solution. So let me write some steps. Step 1 is to calculate slope. Step 2 is to calculate aspect using 8 and 2 formula. Step 3 is to convert the angle of aspect into compass direction. So first I will calculate slope. In order to calculate slope, I will first go for slope in x direction. You may know from previous example that slope is equal to, let me write this grid, let me draw this grid again for my reference. So we have following cells. This is Z0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The slope in x direction is between these cells and these cells. Okay, so we have slope in x direction equal to Z3 plus 2 times of z5 plus z8 minus z1 plus 2 times of z4 plus z6 whole divided by 8 times of cell size in x direction. So let's take the size of cell as following. In both direction x and y, the size of cell is same, and let that be 1. So the value will be z3 is 85 plus 2 times 85 plus 84 minus 101 plus 2 times 101 plus 101 whole divided by 8 times 1. So it becomes, I'll perform the calculation, 85, 2 times 85, so this is 3 times 85 plus 84, or 1 2 3 4, so it is 4 times 85 minus 1. So let's see what we have. 4 times 85 minus 1, it is 339. So we have 339 minus 1 2 3 4, 4 times 101, 4 4 times 101 is 404, whole divided by 8, so 404 339. 339 minus 404 is 65, whole divided by 8. The answer is 8.125 minus. Now let's find the slope in the other direction. For other direction, we'll use in the y direction, we'll use following cells. These cells and these cells. So we have dz by dy is equal to z1 z6 plus 2 times z7 plus z8 minus z1 plus 2 times z2 plus z3 whole divided by 8 times 1, which is equal to z6 101 plus 2 times 91 plus 84 minus 101 plus 2 times 92 plus 85 divided by 8. So what is the value of the first component? 101, 2 times 91 and 84. 101 plus 2 times 91 plus 84. So 367 minus 101, 2 times 92, 85. The answer is 370 whole divided by 8. This makes minus 3 divided by 8, which is 0.375 minus 0.375. Now what is aspect? Let's enter the formula of aspect. It is equal to a tan of 2 slope in y direction and then minus of slope in x direction, and whole multiplied with pi by 180 divided by pi in case if it is if the value is coming in radian. Now let's calculate 8 and 2. So we have 8 and 2 as y by x. So our first component is y, the other is x. So this is actually y, this is actually x. Okay, x greater than 0. Is this fulfilled or not? Let's see. No, the first condition is not fulfilled. X is negative. So we cannot use the first equation. Y is positive. The answer is let's go for the first condition. The first condition, x is positive. Yes, it is true, because we have slope in negative. Minus multiplied with minus will give you plus. So if is x positive? Yes, x is positive. So we can directly use the first formula. Let's go for the other conditions as well. Are both 0? No. Is y positive? So let's see, is y positive or not? No, the y component, which is this one, is negative. So the second condition is not fulfilled. Let's go for the third condition. Y is negative. Yes, y is negative. We can use this formula as well. X is negative. No, x is not negative. So we can either use the first formula or the second formula. So I will use the first formula. which is simply arc tangent y by x. So I think because I have x and y, so this is a bit confusing that I have two conditions fulfilled. One is x greater than 0 is fulfilled, the other is y is negative fulfilled. So for although both are fulfilled, but here the formula are different. So I will go for the first condition here. Okay, now in this condition I look for both x and y. So here in this condition as well, uh, because my x is positive, so the first formula is valid, the other are not valid as per the first criteria. So this turned out to be the formula of 8 and 2, simply y by x. So it will become 8 and y. Y is minus 0.375 whole divided by x minus x. So minus x means minus multiplied by minus 8.21125. 8.125. Let's calculate this value first. So first we will calculate the fraction. 0.375 8.125 minus 0.375 divided by 8.125. So the answer is minus 0.046158. Let me check again. The answer is minus 0.046158. 0.046158. Now let's take its a tangent. So I'll select this all, copy. Let's go for a tangent of this value. So the answer turned out to be 2.6425 degrees. 2.6425 minus 2.6425 degrees. Now let us apply the rules of aspect. And these rules will be used to convert our aspect into compass, our angle into compass angle, which start from north. So these rules are as following. I have discussed that earlier, but let me write it again here. The rules are that aspect is 90 minus aspect value if our aspect is negative. it is 360 minus aspect plus 90 if aspect is greater than 90. Otherwise, it is 90 minus aspect value for otherwise. So in this, we have aspect value as negative. So this condition is fulfilled. So aspect is 90 plus minus. So the 90 minus 2.6425, which becomes 92.64. So this is the aspect, and of which cell this will be the aspect? This will be the aspect of the following cell, aspect of the middle cell. It will be 92.64. Now that's it. I hope you understood how to perform the aspect calculation. Thanks.